So you received one of these in your Scentsy goodie bags? Stay tuned and I'll show you how to use it. Hi, I'm Jen with Jen Scent Click, your independent Scentsy consultant. And if you're watching this video, that means you received one of my dish soap samples. I'm so excited for you to try this, as this is the first cleaning product of Scentsy's that I've used and I fell in love with it right away. I personally hate doing dishes. I never like doing dishes. And I find myself doing dishes a little bit more often because of Scentsy. So how do you use this? Well, all you have to do, obviously, is take it out of the package. So this dishcloth, there's some soap on there. All you have to do is wet it. It's gonna expand. And now it's all sudsy. This amount's gonna get you, I got like 3 or 4 dishes in here from dinner and breakfast. This is gonna do it. But a little goes a long way with our dish soap, which is why I love it, and probably why I have so much of it, is because I love all the different scents. I get the summer, the spring ones, the fall ones, and a bottle will seriously last me like 6 or 8 months. Like I said, I don't do a whole lot of dishes, but when I do dishes, I don't need a whole lot, maybe like a dime size. This is also very gentle on your hands. It doesn't leave that like weird scummy, like soapy, like dried out hands. Like it's nice and soft on your hands, and it does an absolute phenomenal job of getting rid of those food particles and that grime that builds up on dishes. So I hope you enjoy your dish sample. Please let me know how you like it, and have a great day.